Pag-aralan natin tungkol sa operations on functions. Mayroong apat na operations on functions, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ang ating pagtutuunan ngayon ay tungkol sa division on functions. Division of functions. So, we have an overview. Operation on functions are similar to operations on numbers. Each operation has a formal definition which produces a new functions. Okay. Ang sagot pag nagpe-perform tayo ng operation sa functions ay another functions. Okay, we have definition for division of functions. Let f and g be any two functions. Their quotient, denoted by f over g, is the function defined by f of g of x equals f of x over g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. By definition, dapat ang denominator ay hindi maging 0 kasi undefined siya. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng definition. Okay. We have the given functions. F of x equals 2x and g of x equals x minus 4. Find f of g. Take note, ang g ay dapat hindi equal to 0. So, ang first step, always write the formula. We have f divide g equals f over g. Then, next step is to substitute. Our f of x is 2x. Our g of x is x minus 4. Okay, since you cannot simplify that because that's already an lowest term, therefore that's the final answer. F over g equals 2x over x minus 4. Another example. Suppose the given two function f of x equals 2x and g of x equals x minus 4. Find g over f. So, baliktad na. G ang nasa taas na. Ngayon, f ang nasa baba. Ganon din. You write first the definition. G over f of x equals g of x over f of x. G ang nasa taas. Then, write the given. Yung g of x ay x minus 4. Yung f of x ay 2x. And then, since x minus 4 is already in lowest term and 2x cannot be factored anymore, therefore, that's the answer. G over f is equal to x minus 4 over 2x. Okay. Para malinawan, another example. Halimbawa, given the two function f of x equals x minus 3 and g of x equals 2x plus 4. Find f over g. Okay, so write first the form f of x over g of x. Then substitute. Our f is x minus 3 over our g is 2x plus 4. That's already in lowest term because x minus 3 is already prime and 2x plus 4 is already prime. When I say prime, ang pwede lang niyang factor ay yung sarili niya at 1. So therefore, f over g is equal to x over 3 over 2x plus 4. Express mo lang as fraction. Kasi wala siyang common factor to numerator and denominator. So meaning, yan na ang sagot. Another example. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa dalawang functions pag dinivide natin. Given the two functions, f of x equals x squared plus 4x plus 3 and g of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. Find f over g. So as our solution, so you write first the definition of f over g, which is f of x over g of x. And the next is to substitute. What is f of x? X squared plus 4x plus 3. And what is our g of x? We have x squared minus 2x minus 3. Pero ang nasa numerator, x squared plus 4x plus 3 is a trinomial. Try nyo i-factor. Baka may common factor. Okay, ang numerator can be factored as x plus 3 times 1. Okay? X plus 3 times x plus 1. Rather, that's a quadratic trinomial. Ang denominator, ganun din. We can factor x minus 3 times x plus 1. Okay, there is a common factor na x plus 1. Ika-cancel natin. Para ang natira ay x plus 3 over x minus 3. Ito ay hindi na pwede cancel kasi binomial ang numerator, binomial ang denominator, plus ang nasa taas at minus ang nasa baba. So yan na ang sagot natin. F over G is equal to x plus 3 over x minus 3. Okay. Another. Okay. Tingnan na daw natin kung anong mangyayari dito. Given the two function f of x equals 6 and g of x equals 3x, find g over f. By definition, g of x over f of x, then we substitute our g of x ay 3x at ang f of x natin ay 6. But then 3x, pwede natin i-divide sa 6 yung 3. 3 over 6 in lowest term ay, so we have x over 2. Or we can write as 1/2 of x. So 3 can be factored as 3 times 1. 6 is 3 times 2. Kinancel natin yung parehong 3. So ang natira ay x over 2. Okay? Okay, last example. Given f of x equals 6 plus x and g of x equals x squared minus 36. Find f over g of x. So by definition, f of x over g of x equals f over g. Then we substitute our f of x, 6 plus x. Our g of x is x squared minus 36. But then, ang denominator ay pwedeng i-factor. Okay? Ang factor ng x squared minus 36 is x minus 6 and then x plus 6. Then we can cancel x plus 6. X plus 6. So, walang natira sa taas. So, lagyan natin ng 1. At ang nasa baba ay x minus 6. And that's the answer, f over g. Okay. So, hanggang dyan na lang. Thank you so much sa panonood ninyo sa video na to. Maraming salamat!